Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to start building this Tamiya TT-01 Type E chassis. So today we're going to be doing steps 1 and 2. So let's get started. I'm going to be building this kit with ball bearings that I have bought separately. If you don't have them, you can just use these plastic bushings. That's what is shown here in the manual. But I bought the equivalents in ball bearings, and if you want to buy your own, there are kits that have all these bearings in them already, but I've kind of assembled my own kit from bearings that I already had. Alright, let's get started. Another thing is I have silicone grease in this little plastic syringe. I like that better than this tube of grease that comes with the kit, but this will work just fine. I just like this kind of non-greasy, clear lubricant instead, and in the syringe it's a lot easier to apply. Alright, I think I have everything to work on step 1 now. We have the C5 propeller joint. We have a ball bearing right here. And if you're using the bushings, it's going to be this white one. We have this part, which is the GB2. It's called the spur gear stopper. We have the spur gear, and we have this MA11 pin right there. Alright, so let's start by putting the bearing, followed by the stopper, and then the pin. And we're just going to hold it for now so the pin doesn't fall out. And this pin is actually going to go inside one of these cross notches. There you go, it clicked. And it's set, and that's the way it should be. You heard that click, and that's when the pin falls into one of those cross cutouts. So I'm going to put a little bit of grease. I will grease the outside of this spur gear later when we're ready to close everything. Otherwise it gets in your hands. It's kind of messy. And now we're going to move on to this step right here. We're going to put this propeller shaft in on this end, as well as set up the propeller joint on this end. So this end is going to be the C4. That's going to be a shorter one. So it should be that one right there. It should be this one. And this one, we're going to tilt it in. We're going to hold it like this. I think you can see that. Same thing. There's a cutout here, which accepts the end of the dog bones. It's going to go like that. So we're going to slide that in there. We're going to tilt this up slightly and put that in there. But before we do that, of course, we need to put a little bit of grease into the dog bone and then the propeller shaft cup. So this end. Now we're going to tilt this up and just turn it until it kind of goes in like that. So there we go. That is done. And for this step, actually, there's these battery posts that we need to add on. So B6. B is going to be this big tree, and we're going to need both of them. And this screw is going to be MA5, which is a flathead screw. I don't see those here. It's going to be these right there. So we need 2 of those. This might fall out, so you have to hold on to it. But this is going to go in here. Okay. That's going to go in there. And it only goes in one way because there's a flat side on here and here. So really, you can't make a mistake. And it's going to be this hole right here. Okay, I think we've successfully done steps 1 and 2. We installed the spur gear and the propeller shaft with the 2 propeller joints. We also put in these battery posts. So just a quick and simple part 1 of the Tamiya TT-01 Type E chassis kit. And in the next video, we'll start working on the motor, which is going to be steps 3 and 4. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.